Hello everyone, welcome to my CyberArk version 11 lab videos. This video we're gonna talk about the CPM installation. In my previous videos, we installed our Vault, we installed our PVWA. Now we're gonna install CPM. And our PVWA and CPM gonna be in the same server 192.168.2.23. You can separate them, but to save some CPU and the resources, I just put them together. This is our PVWA and CPM server IP address 192.168.2.23. We already installed our PVWA in previous video, and we can log in with our built-in administrator account. The reason why it shows user administrator is already logged in, they cannot let you impersonate because we have a session, remote session, using the private ARC logged in. Since we didn't log out from there, the browser session will not let you to log in with administrator. So usually there's a couple of ways to resolve it. One simple way, just log out. And another way is you can create another administrator account. So right now we are using built-in administrator account to do our job, but actually we can create a new one. In that way, both of them can log in. I'm going to demonstrate that later on. So let's go back here, log in again. This kind of issue you're going to meet a lot because you only have one administrator account. So my suggestion is create a couple of friends, one or two, just put a limited permission and then unlimited network access. So right now, our PVWA fully function. You can see our policies. We can see the system health status. So we can see we have Vault, primary Vault, and we have PVWA. We don't have CPM installed yet. So this lab is going to show you the right way to install CPM. There's a couple steps. The first step always you need to have installation files copied over to your local C drive, just like I did. And the second step will be pre-installation steps. Usually it's a prerequisite script run. The third step will be install CPM by right-click setup. The last step is post-installation steps, hardening, verification, this kind of stuff, or some manual steps if the script cannot fully finish the or post installation steps, hardening steps, then you have to do some manual jobs as well. We will see. So you can tell there's a installation automation folder here. So all related scripts like hardening script, prerequisite pre-installation script also here that we can run step by step. Okay, the second step right now, we're gonna run as administrator for our PowerShell window. Before run the PowerShell script, you need to set execution policy by path. And then we can run pre-installation script. Operation succeeded. It's only take a couple of milliseconds. As you can see, we got a new folder with the current date and the time, and script is going to show you the output for the pre-installation script output. Let's go back to the installation folder here, right-click setup, run as administrator. Next. Next. Now we're gonna do some configuration here. They're gonna have some questions. The first question, It's asking, do we already have the central policy manager installed? No, it's the first one. So, and then we're gonna define our vault address one, and then they're gonna ask you password for vault building administrator user. So I got this CPM 038E error while trying to import platforms. So it says import the platform manually. You have to log for more information. This is common error. You can safely ignore it. Continue. Next. It's asking, do you want to install Oracle Instant Client? This is required for Oracle plugin support. So if you, in the future, if you need to support Oracle database using the CyberArk CPM managing the Oracle database, this will be required. So we can take yes. Install showed wizard completed. Great. Let's look at two things. Some installation finished. Now we do the post-installation steps, verification first, of course. We're gonna verify the service is up and running. We should see two services are up and running. One called CyberArk Password Manager, one called CyberArk Central Policy Manager Scanner. You saw the third one, that's from the PVWA scheduled task. That's a CyberArk scheduled tasks from PVWA installation. So in this new installation, we got two services. Great. We can look at the logs as well. Password manager, logs. You can see error logs, console logs, trace logs. Those are related CPM service logs. For the installation logs, they are in different place. Users, admin one, a hidden folder called app data, local, temp. We're gonna see we saw yesterday's PVWA installation logs, and you should be able to same thing install logs. For example, here shows what they did during the installation. Add a key, search for a key, replace line, updating the file, and you may want to see more details here. If you receive any error message, you should be able to find from here. Let's search at error code. CPM 038E platforms. It's asking us to manually import platform, working with safe platform. So there's import error while trying to import platform, reason error code, authorization problem while working with safe password manager share. Trying to connect to PVW at endpoint. Status code connected. But when they do the post request for the import, forbidden. So basically PVWA saying it's forbidden to do import. That's why the import failure. It's not a big deal, we still can do manually. CPM tried a couple times, it doesn't work, but it doesn't stop. This is common error message, error code you will get. You can safely ignore it. Don't feel like you already got something wrong and you have to redo installation. So let's log into our PVWA to look at the CPM status. As you can see, now CPM component shows healthy status here. They say app users already been connected. Basically, that's pretty much everything for the CPM installation. We got a healthy CPM installed. For the platform, maybe you are wondering what that means. When you go to platform management, you can see all standard platform here, or it's already in here. You even don't need to manually import it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.